Remote work is nice, but it's not for everybody.
Kasi it's all about selling yourself to clients eh. It's like a marketplace of you selling yourself to clients. So
Remote work requires time management, communication, skills, and self-discipline.
I don't think it's the work setting that matters. Feeling ko it's dependent on the industry and the role that you support in whatever work that you do, no?
I believe remote work is the future.
Kailangan mo sumabay sa trend eh. If you fight it and you don't adapt, mapag-iiwanan ka. You are never going to be a victim of circumstances.
Right.
The outcomes that you want is always determined by the choices you make. You make your own path for growth. It's everywhere. All you gotta do is just recognize and take it.
So growth starts at the end of your comfort zone.
Hi everyone, I'm Jam.
I'm Chris.
I'm Ambo.
And we're gonna play Facts, or Myth? Remote Work Edition. So for today, mga mi, ang gagawin natin is gamit ang ating balota. Balota! Eto, Chris, would you like to hold? Yung ating crystal ball, mga mi, ay dyan natin bubunutin ang mga kasabihan. You like the kasabihan?
Love it.
Ready for you? Ayan, tapos sasagot kami kung fact or myth on my cue, okay? Then we will explain a little bit about our answers kung bakit. So, let's start with round 1, mga mi. Bunot na tayo. Okay. All right. Sabi dito, remote jobs are always less stressful than office job. In 3, 2, 1, go. Ako naman, myth. Myth tayo
Myth,
lahat.
yeah.
Kasi, para sa akin, ito lang akin na. I feel like it's the same as the in-person work,
Right.
but in a different setting lang. So the stress level, depending on your, number one, anong role mo. Kung may responsibility ka, decision maker ka. Kung number 2, kung stressful yung co-workers mo. Number 3, kung stressful ang client mo. Depende, kayo.
Ako, agree ako dun. Kasi I don't think it's the work setting that matters. Feeling ko it's dependent on the industry and the role that you support in whatever work that you do, no? So remote man or in person doesn't really matter.
Okay, so ang next statement ay remote work gives people more freedom to pursue hobbies and personal interest.
Ba't parang nahirapan ako sumagot sa mga...
Ayan,
Akala ko
medyo
madali
iba-iba
lang to
tayo.
eh. Ikaw yung kakaiba, ikaw magsimula kung bakit.
So ako sa tingin ko myth. Kasi depende yun sa kung paano mo minamanage yung time mo.
Correct.
And paano mo minamanage yung deliverables mo. So you can have an face-to-face type of work environment or a remote work environment. Pero kung hindi ka magaling mag-manage ng time mo, wala ka pa rin time to do the things that you want. Kasi bahala ka sa priorities mo eh. So it boils down to personal discipline talaga.
Correct. Ako naman, ang sagot ko dyan, and Ambo can answer also later,
Yep.
is that not all roles as a remote worker are able to enjoy this flexi time, work anywhere na sinasabi nila, you are your own boss. Kasi merong mga other roles such as general admin, yung mga EAs na talagang desk job pa rin talaga sila sa bahay. Like 8 hours, like 8 a.m. to like 5 p.m. US time. Ganun ang mga eksena nila. And there are other agencies out there na hindi pumapayag na mag-work outside the house. As in literal, pinapapicture pa yung work desk. Ganun ang eksena.
Oh my
As
God.
a, what do you call this? As a requirement.
Ako naman, ang naisip ko, kaya ako siya ginawang fact. Kasi yung different setups, like yung freedom mo na like hindi ka magko-commute on a daily basis. Tapos commonly kasi kapag office setup, may ganap pa after ng office work. So I think mas may ability yung isang remote worker to actually dive in sa mga personal interest niya and hobby.
Yeah, right. Agree. Depende sa perspective. No?
Nasa perspective.
Right.
Abo, it's your turn. Are you enjoying this, guys?
Yeah,
This is fun.
Super, super
Okay,
fun.
this one. So you need advanced tech skills to work remotely.
You need advanced tech skills to. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, myth. Okay, I have an answer
Hindi ko
here.
in-expect na myth lahat yung sagot natin.
You know
Feeling ko may
why?
magpa-fact eh.
Because not every job role requires a certain level of knowledge when it comes to tech stuff.
Right, right.
Yeah.
Okay. Ako ang take ko kung bakit siya myth. I don't want to put the burden on the remote working industry. At the end of the day, nasa tao lagi yan eh. Are you willing enough to learn? Are you willing enough to perform? Are you willing enough to be able to better yourself and be able to function for the role that you want?
Right.
Nasa sayo yan. It doesn't mean that the remote working industry is gonna require you to have certain things agad-agad, but willing ka bang matuto para mag-thrive sa industriyang to? Kaya myth.
Galing niya. Na-convinced ako. I think
Walk out.
copy-paste na lang.
I think 5,000 pesos.
Hindi.
Hindi, ako naman, siguro ang must is yung basic computer literacy. Kasi remote work eh. So, most likely, may computer sa harap mo, doon ka nag-work. Pero may mga specialized roles talaga na kailangan ng advanced tech skills, pero hindi naman lahat.
Though it's always an advantage if you have mastered softwares, stuff like that. Like, yung mga kagaya nga ni Noel, na Monday's architect specialist, Kim Puro siya. So, mas malaki yung rate niya, di ba?
Most likely talaga sa mga may specialization yung role sa, ano.
If you want to be a social media marketer, you have to be able to like navigate different like software such as editing tools, AI tools, stuff like that. But like techie in general, if you're gonna be a general admin, if you know Google Workspace, you're fine.
Yeah.
Correct.
Hala! Napaka-anong statement to? All remote works are scam. Tiko lang, tito naman.
May galit, may galit.
Parang ano eh. 3, 2, 1, go! Parang nagdalawang isip si bakla eh, no? Not all. Okay? Not all, but there are some. There are some if you're not vigilant. Okay, before, yan ang mindset ko. Nagsisimula pa lang ako, hello, online job, puro scam dyan.
Ako rin. Same.
Please also take note sa mga nanonood na maging vigilant tayo and be careful sa mga ina-applyan natin, yung mga mini-message natin. And ito yung pinaka-biggest red flag na kailangan nating iwasan. Most commonly sa mga scams na yan, kumukuha sila ng money from the
Yeah.
workers. So, pumasok ka nga sa trabaho to actually be compensated, hindi para bigyan mo ng pera yung employer mo. So, be careful. So, wag tayo makipag-transact ng mga ganong bagay.
Ito fun fact, akala, when I first started with Coconut like a year ago, parang may mga nagko-comment, hindi naman ata legit na agency yun eh.
Oh, talaga?
Kasi parang walang na-hire, ang daming opening, ganyan. Akala nila, pero ngayon hindi ako naglalabas ngayon ng mga content like this to show like we have a community, doon ko sinart yung Coconut VA Talks na, girl, we're like 200 plus active coconuts right now. Yeah, hindi nyo na nakikita iba, but this is legit. Yeah.
And may social media proof po kami. Paki-visit.
Fact. Fact yung
Nasa
sinabi.
description ha. yung link.
Yes.
Ito na. Medyo controversial to.
Ano yun, Day?
So here, remote work is just a temporary trend.
Hala! In 3, 2, 1.
Alam, may galit.
Kung sisirain.
I believe remote work is the future. Amen. Kayo na mag-define kung bakit, pero yun yung akin.
So, i-define ko kung bakit.
Bakit?
So, people need to be able to realize that nagkakaroon ng market shift yung demand for jobs and
Yeah.
skills, no? Kailangan mo sumabay sa trend eh. If you fight it and you don't adapt, mapag-iiwanan ka. This is the same reason kung bakit dati, pag iniisip mo anong phone ang bibilin ko, Nokia ang gusto mo, pero ngayon, hindi mo na kinukonsider ang Nokia bilhin.
Correct.
Gusto mo ng camera, maybe you'll say DJI, no?
Yeah, DJI.
Hindi mo na
DJI.
iisipin ang Kodak.
Ay, pero uso siya ngayon sa mga Gen Z.
Sa mga Gen Z, bumabalik siya. But again, napag-iwanan na sila.
Napag-iwanan na.
Di ba? Mahirap na sa kanila umangat.
Nag-progress na.
Exactly. So
Yes.
recognize the trend and the market shift, adjust, adapt, and then go with it. Kasi digital na yung age ngayon eh. Age of internet.
Yeah.
Everything is gonna be digital. This is digital.
Yes, we're in the digital era, and like even like some of the corporate companies that I
Hybrid.
know are hybrid now. So they're, it becomes a benefit to some, and it became an advantage to some kasi they don't need to pay for like monthly office rent.
Yeah. It's win-win situation, no? Sa company and also sa workers.
Remote workers often experience higher job satisfaction.
In 3, 2, 1, go. Hindi naman sinabing lagi.
Oh!
Often lang.
Another
Hindi naman sinabing 100%.
Yeah.
So I'm just going for often. So
Same.
often because dito naranasan yung the way the workload they do nung nasa face-to-face work sila versus what they do now plus the salary mas rewarding for them. Some. Pero there are some, sige nga, na hindi.
I agree with what Jam said. I just choose to look at it from an objective point of view.
Yeah.
No? Remote work is nice, but it's not for everybody.
Correct.
There are people out there who prefers face-to-face interaction. They want to work at an office. They don't feel productive in a remote work
Right.
setup, no? So it's not for everyone, but it's definitely an industry worth pursuing.
Right. Kasi nga, satisfaction is very subjective.
Yeah. That's
Very
true.
ilagay mo dyan, satisfaction is,
Nasa tao talaga siya eh, no? Nakadepende talaga siya sa tao.
like, what's your definition of that ba, diba? So, that ma-define mo muna yan. What is satisfaction for you? Diba? And then, iba-iba tayo eh. So,
Siguro nag-base lang ako since often yung word na ginamit sa most of the freelancers and remote workers that I know na mas satisfied sila sa job nila right now compare sa job na meron sila sa office setup.
maybe because we're within that circle.
Hindi kasi eh.
No, pero diba, Chris, maybe kasi we're within that circle. We're surrounded by people. Na ganon. But
correct.
there are a lot of parang, I tried. I've seen some videos. I've tried. It's not for me.
Exactly.
Right? So, it's in your hands.
Oh.
Go bahala.
Points taken.
There's probably a healthy balance of both, no?
Yeah.
So, that'd be.
Dahil dyan, many remote workers find it easier to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Parang pass. Parang 1, 2, 3. Sorry ha, halata naman, di ba? Ay, magandang comic yun, Ambo. Sorry ha. No, as you know, the job itself is not healthy. The schedule is not healthy. Graveyard, sometimes if you're flexi time and you have AM, PM clients, it messes up your time zone, your time body clock. Diba? Number 2, it's not healthy because nakaupo ka lang for hours. Number 3, yung iba hindi na nagkakaroon ng sunlight.
Ako yun.
It's and then you tend to binge eat in the middle of the night, right? So, poof, it became Coco Crunch. Ayan.
Tsaka kasi may access ka eh. May access ka sa home mo. So, it means na pwede kang kumuha anytime sa
Yeah,
pantry mo.
yeah.
Pwede kang kumain eh. Di ba?
I'm not saying na in general remote work is unhealthy. Again, it's your choice. It's your.
Kaya
Yeah,
myth.
I
Kaya
agree.
myth.
I'm just speaking based on experience. Ha!
Ako super agree ako nung sinabi mo na it's your choice eh. Kasi you are never going to be a victim of circumstances.
Right.
The outcomes that you want is always determined by the choices you make. So, kung healthy or unhealthy man ikaw sa isang industriya katulad ng remote working industry, you have the freedom to make the choices to get the outcomes you want.
Yeah, at the end of the day, so isa-summarize lang natin as self-discipline yan and time management para sa tao.
Anyone can work remotely.
1, 2, 3.
Gusto ko lang may iba. Yan. Ay, hindi. Pare-pareho pala.
Pare-parehas tayo.
Lang to. Sorry, I have to start it with this, but not remote work is not for everybody.
Yeah.
Not for anyone, for sure.
It's not. Let's start with that. Kasi it's all about selling yourself to clients. Eh. It's like a marketplace of you selling yourself to clients. So if you don't have the confidence to do so, then it's gonna be hard for you. That's
Oo.
like at least for me.
Agree. Depende sa competency and skills mo, no?
May mga friends ako na up to now, sobrang hirap nilang i-convince na mag-remote work. And some of them
Yes.
nag-dive into the remote work na. Pero they said na it's not for them. So again, remote work requires time management, communication, skills, and self-discipline. Kasi nasa remote work setup ko eh. So nakadepende sa'yo kung how you will perform, how will you take action sa mga projects and tasks na iaatang sa'yo. Ang next ay, remote work can lead to feelings of isolation.
Feelings of isolation. 1, 2, 3.
Ooh.
Sorry Ako lang
Okay,
Ako lang
go,
to. Kakaiba
go.
ko. Again, yes, it can isolate. It can feel like you're isolated at times if you don't have the network or if you're not in a community yet.
Right.
If your work setting is not community based. But there are ways where you can feel that na hindi ka isolated. Like you can do co-working sessions via Zoom or Gmeet. Iba nagdo-Discord, voice channel. It's a thing. So if this is something that you want to explore, try mo. Like baka may ka-close ka sa team mo or baka may ka-close ka na mga VAs na pwede kayo mag-co-working session. Maganda kasi nagkaka-brainstorman kayo, nagkakaroon kayo ng referrals, may kailangan ganitong client, A and B, etc. There are ways para you don't feel isolated.
Right. Sa akin naman fact, and I have a very similar point of view to Jam, no? But it's a fact for me na mataas ang tendency for you to feel those moments of isolation. But you have to also recognize that you have tools at your disposal that you can use to
Correct.
prevent that from happening. But it does not negate that you are prone to that. Kasi nga, remote work.
Which makes sense because that's what you felt kaya you did something about it.
Yeah, exactly. Again, choices.
Choices. Hindi, sa akin naman, based on my experience, well before, nung nag-start ako ng remote work, kasi 2018 ako nag-start. So na-feeling ko yung isolation na yon noong 2021. Kasi ang tagal ko na, tapos laging graveyard shift. So most of the time, gigising ako na patulog na yung mga tao. So I feel like na-isolate ako dun sa mismong setup ko. Kaya ang way ko, again, it can lead to feelings of isolation. Di ba? Hindi kasi kasi yun. But my advice for those na nagda-dive into the remote work or sa mga aspiring and newbie pa lang na freelancer or virtual assistant, to kapag na-feel nyo yon, find the community. Maraming community. And also, inside the Coconut VA, may community kami wherein you can ask, you can jive with them. Before, meron kami talagang co-working sessions.
I-message to si Chrisman para hindi ka mabore. Sa Slack, yun na lang.
Okay lang.
Meron ding Discord ang Coconut VA.
Meron
Ilagay
kasi
natin sa description.
Oo. Sige na nga, doon tayo co-work.
Oo.
Hindi. Meron na kayong mga jamming sessions on a monthly basis ang
Yes.
Coconut. Sa Feb 14, meron kami.
Yes.
Nakita mo ba yung Slack? Oh.
Okay. Yun yung...
Baka yes, si bakla, kala mo naman.
Oy, meron!
Yes.
Naka-attend ako doon.
Yung mga
So,
pang-single.
ayun, dalawang benefits ng Coconut. Actually, tatlo na eh. Meron tayong monthly town halls, meron tayong quarterly face-to-face meetups, and meron din tayong island getaway. So, excited na ako next.
And co-working sessions on a monthly basis.
Okay, remote work is unstable and is suited only for freelancers.
Remote work is unstable and suited. It's two things. Unstable and suited only for freelancers. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ang hirap. Dapat ito eh. Pero may isa ganito. Sige.
Sige,
sagutin ko.
mauna ka, mauna ka.
Remote work is unstable is a fact. Kasi not everyone is privileged like us who gets to land to that perfect client.
Yeah.
Diba?
Nakadepende pa
Let's
rin sa
acknowledge yung mga ibang nagsa-start na nakakuha ng client na hindi sustainable yung offer. Number 1. Number 2, yung mga clients na sabi bibigyan kita ng 20 hours a week pero ang nagde-dead mo pagkatapos ng 5th hour, dineded mo na yung mga VA. Kaya ang sinasahod nila on a weekly basis, $5 na lang, it's not sustainable. Yung mga VAs na tinatakbuhan na lang ng kliyente at hindi nababayaran, o bigla na lang nag-end ng contract yung client, let's acknowledge those people because it's happening.
Yeah.
No?
Correct,
We
correct,
don't want to
correct.
speak in a place of privilege naman. Pero it can be stable if you have the systems to make it stable. Like for example, like continuous lead generation. Number two, you come to like you jump into an agency like Coconut na make sure na fun fact, when we get clients, you don't just hire them. We also pre-qualify our clients, making sure that our clients are also stable long term. Benefits, right? Like 13th month
It's
pay,
there.
benefits such as
PTOs.
healthcare, PTOs, lahat yan na i-offer ni Coconut. So it's in your hands pa rin. Minsan, ano yun eh, parang sa simula, it's gonna be a bumpy ride at first, but once you get the hang of it, and lalo na if you're upskilling and you're becoming in demand in the future kasi very skillful ka, you will find yung the one mo.
Yeah, so again, summarize ko lang yung sinabi niya. So if you find the right client, if you find the right VA agency, that's where you can say na you are financially stable. And I think, and I believe, na if papanoorin yung mga previous videos ng Coconut VA, makikita nyo doon na most of our coconuts ay nagsasabi na they achieve the financial stability because of the coconut. So again, if you just find the right VA agency, if you just find the right client, then doon ma-achieve yun eh.
Yes, and I think we have to answer the second one, address the second one. It's parang this life, remote work is just suitable for freelancers. No.
Yeah, maganda rin siya pag-
Myth for me because remote work is not equals to freelancing.
Oh.
'Di ba?
Yeah.
When you say freelancing kasi, you do not work in a company, you work with a company. So, ano ka dyan? Independent
Parang
contractor.
entrepreneur ka na rin yan.
Yes, business partner attack. And there are remote works na ang contract mo ay yon. What do you call this? Freelance ka. 'Di ba? Ang tinatawag na iba, ang other term dyan ay independent contractor. Just like us, no? But there are other remote works na they hire you talagang yung business na mismo directly. Yung brand na mismo and you're an employee of that business, of that client. You're under that client talaga. So, iba-iba.
Huwag na tayo lumayo. Coconut VA has full-time and part-time employees.
Yes.
Workers.
Diba? Remote job offers fewer career advancement opportunities in 3, 2, 1, go.
Big no.
Sige,
no.
ikaw na lang.
Ako, it depends on your client and it depends on what you can deliver. Growth is something that you can find everywhere and anywhere. Exactly. Nasa sayo yan. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin, remote, walang dead-end yan. Face-to-face or BPO, dead-end job yan. Hindi totoo yun. You make your own path for growth. It's everywhere. All you gotta do is just recognize and take it.
Correct. And it can be both on the employment side, kasi may promotion naman, and it can be both as a freelancer. 'Di ba? Like kung kaya mong palaguin yung business mo, scale yung business mo on your own, remotely, ang dami dito mga millionaires na dahil doon.
Right. Katulad ni Jam, no?
Yeah. Example again. Exhibit A.
Di ba, baka yung nasa kanan ko, di ba kakapilm lang natin kanina ng...
I think panoorin niyo yung previous video para mag-gets yung context.
Bakit yung
sa
mga
sagot
tunay
to.
na mayayaman, sila pa yung in denial?
Ambo talaga.
Bakit napasa na sa akin, be?
Bumunot ka natin. May tayo mag-usap na sahod dito. Ano naman?
Ayun, ulitin ko lang na. So, wala siya sa setting. Nasa tao siya. So, growth starts at the end of your comfort zone.
Oh, shit!
Nailagay mo dyan, fireworks, ganon. Di ba?
Remote workers
Oh my God.
don't have a real job.
Actually, totoo. Hindi naman namin trabaho to eh.
Hindi, mag-1, 2, 3 ka pa nga eh.
Tayo.
Parang kalokohan ata tong content eh. In 3, 2, 1. Dahil, totoong
Obviously.
trabaho naman to. Ito naman, masyado naman.
That's true. That's
Hello, gusto mo ba makita yung totoong bank account namin? Hala, joke lang, Coconut. Mabait ako.
This work pays, and as long as you're compensated, then I think this is a real job. I believe it's a real job.
This work brings food to the table. Of
Right.
not
Yeah.
just my table, but the dining table of my mama. So,
just by the basic definition, you provide services, you get paid for it.
Helping businesses, di ba?
Right.
dahil dito,
And again, recognize na sorry, if you fail to recognize that remote work is a real job, again, pwedeng mapag-iwanan ka or you might realize it too late because again, it's the digital age. We are innovating towards a more digital future, and this is one of those areas that has that innovation that's expanding really fast or scaling up really
in
fast.
short, lagyan mo yung caption dito, te.
Oh, TLDR.
Pero legit ha, may mga tao talaga na maybe tumatawa tayo ngayon, pero may mga tao na they thought this is not really a real job. And we thought na yung statement na yun is obnoxious. Di ba? Na it is absurd. Pero meron talagang nagtitake ng, remote work is not a real job.
But again, it's a process. Like, it's a process. Not everyone can embrace it right away. Diba? Pero, one day, nandito ka na rin, gumagawa ng content ni Coconut VA.
One day.
Hala, one day, isang araw dahil dyan, maraming salamat! Did you guys enjoy?
Super.
I hope you guys learned a lot here. Once again, I'm Jam.
I'm Chris.
And I'm Ambo.
And that was Myth or Facts. Join na kay Coconut by clicking the link in our profile.
Yeah.
See you there. Bye!
Bye!